Today, I bestow the essence of love upon everything. We are made perfect when we enter into the communion of love with one another and with the invisible essence of life. Love is the fulfillment of the law. That is, we do not make the highest use of the law unless that use is motivated by love, by a sincere desire to express unity, harmony, and peace. As the soaring bird opens her wings to the sky's embrace, so we must open our hearts and minds to the influx of spirit and receive its love, that we may, in turn, express it to all whom we meet. We must embrace the essence of love that we may transmit it, giving loveliness to all events. Today I bestow the limitless love flowing through me upon everything. Everyone will be lovely to me. My soul meets the soul of the universe in everyone. Nothing is ordinary. It is all beautiful, all meaningful. This love is a healing power that touches everything into wholeness, healing the wounds of experience with its divine balm. I know that this love essence, the very substance of life, the creative principle back of everything, flows through my whole being, spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical. It flows in transcendent loveliness into my world of thought and form, ever renewing, vitalizing, bringing joy and harmony, and blessing everything and everyone it touches.